Back to Sai Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our Funday, from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. Will Gumede finally do right by all his children, or it is too late for Thembi and Zandile? Zandile's nightmare gets even worse whilst Ty entertained dreams of a new life with Sabelo on Tuesday. Sabelo is anxious that he might have invited bad luck into Amawelo Duma's lives. The tea about Zandile's private life has spilled all over social media. Star sabotaged the money heist on Wednesday. Mangubane applies the pressure on Star, lighting her fire. Zandile is dumped, but Sipho comes through and offers her a way to redeem herself on Thursday. Mbali finds herself at the center of unwanted attention. After her dramatic live broadcast on social media, Zandile ends Ntombi's air. Thembi refuses to give Gumede a free pass on Friday. Gumede gets a taste of the millionaire life, much to Thembi's disdain. Mbali runs to Zandile with her tail between her legs. Sabelo's game with fire catch up to him. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below.